Hey, I'm Travis Kelce, and I've got a question for you. Do you want to win a brand new first-gen Ford Bronco? That's right. To support a great cause, I'm teaming up with Omaze to hook you up with a vintage Ford Bronco, carefully restored and modernized by our friends at Gateway Bronco. Cue the beauty shots. It includes a Ford Coyote 5-liter V8 engine, a stylish leather interior packed with modern touches, and a long-lasting powder-coated frame. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! That thing is nice. So what are you waiting for? Click the link or go to omaze.com/Kelce and enter for your chance to win a totally restored Ford Bronco. And if that's not enough, I'll even fly you and a friend out to Kansas City to meet myself and celebrate your new ride with VIP seats to a game. But the best part of all of this is that every donation supports the work of 87 and Running. It's an incredible cause I founded to help underserved kids find pathways to success. So hurry up and go to omaze.com/Kelce, donate, and I'll see you in Kansas City.